Good afternoon. Jeremiah here from Annuity Association, and we are back for the second edition of our State of the Fixed Annuity Rates Report. So we're in the first week of April 2021, and we started our first review of the fixed annuity market rates report last month in March, and we're back again the first week of April to provide an update in regards to the current rates that are being offered in fixed annuities, as well as what is also referred to as a multi-year guaranteed annuity. So this is a quick review, a quick report, and I want to go ahead and touch on our disclaimer before we get started, but then we'll momentarily dive right into our software and be able to decipher all of the fixed annuities and multi-year guaranteed annuity rates for April of 2021. So bear with me. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. Let's go ahead and dive into our quick disclaimer. Okay, so this is the State of the Fixed Annuity Market Report for April 2021. This is an independent review by AnnuityAssociation.com. This is a review, not a recommendation to buy or sell an annuity. No insurance company has endorsed this review in any way, nor do we receive any compensation for this review. This review is meant to be an independent review at the request of website visitors, so they can see our perspective when breaking down the positives and negatives of this particular annuity. Before purchasing any investment product, be sure to do your own due diligence and consult a properly licensed professional should you have specific questions as they relate to your individual circumstances. All names, marks, and materials used for this review are property of their respective owners and not that of AnnuityAssociation.com. While care has been made to ensure this review is complete and accurate, no guarantees are made to the completeness or accuracy. Okay, so if you need to enlarge your screen, you can pull up the right on the bottom right-hand corner of your viewing window. You can go ahead and pull up by clicking that. It'll enlarge your window so that you can see my screen more accurately. So what we're going to do is dive into the fixed annuity report. We have a software that we utilize here at Annuity Association that will allow us to filter out all of the different product offerings available on the independent annuity marketplace. For those not familiar with our firm, Annuity Association is an independent advisor on all fixed annuities. So whether it be fixed annuities, multi-year guaranteed annuities, or fixed indexed annuities, as well as if you're looking for lifetime income or safe accumulation, we specialize in working with every major insurance company in the United States to bring our clients and prospective clients the full transparent process that's going to help them identify the best annuity that's going to help them meet their financial goals and objectives. So before we dive into this, if you're interested in working with me directly, you can visit our website at AnnuityAssociation.com. Right there on the main page, click the green button to request your free report, and I will get that report out to you in a timely fashion. There will be a question that you're asked in regards to would you like to be contacted by an advisor? Simply answer yes, and I will reach out to you in a timely fashion to get together at a time convenient for you that we can go over your needs and see how I can help point you in the right direction. So, okay, so we're going to take a quick look at the current fixed annuity marketplace today. And to do that, we're going to go ahead and add a couple filters to our software here. We're going to look at the 3, 5, 7, and 10-year fixed annuity rates. If you're not familiar with fixed annuities, they are the they are the insurance company's alternative to the bank certificate of deposit. So just like a bank CD, you invest your money into this time deposit vehicle called a fixed annuity or multi-year guaranteed annuity. And along with that, you're purchasing a contract issued by the insurance company that's going to state a fixed rate of return for that given duration of time. So typically what's common is a 3, 5, 7, and 10-year durations. So those are the ones we're going to be focusing on today. And it's as simple as that. Put your money in for that agreed amount of time, and the insurance company will pay you a compounded rate of return every single year that's guaranteed by the contract. So here we have our 3-year. Let's go ahead and start with the 3-year period. So this is a 3-year fixed term. We're going to have Liberty Bankers Life coming in at number 1 with a 2.25% guaranteed yield on that investment for 3 years. Now, this is also using just a hypothetical $100,000 investment. So you're going to see a guaranteed ending value. This is just assuming that we put in $100,000 at the beginning of the contract, and that would be the ending value based on the math of that 2.25% guaranteed rate. So we have Liberty Bankers Life coming in at number 1 with a 2.25% offering. And then we have Ocean View Life, an annuity company, which just recently had a rate change that decreased by 5 basis points. They're now offering their 3-year rate at 2.2%. And the reason why I'm highlighting this one is because Ocean View Life is the only offering in that 3-year space that's going to allow that free withdrawal provision. So for those not familiar, inside of a fixed annuity, some of these insurance companies will offer the ability to withdraw up to 10% per year with no penalty after the first year. So Ocean View Life actually does include that provision in this particular product, where you can withdraw after the first year up to 10% of your principal and interest with no penalties starting in year 2. And then we have coming in number 3, Gillico with their guarantee rate lock product with a 2.05% compounded guaranteed interest rate. Moving on to the 5-year window, we have the 5-year offering from Nassau Re, which is a 2.8% guaranteed compounded interest rate. No free withdrawals there. We have Silac at 2.8% as well. Again, no free withdrawals. And then we have Bankers Elite, Liberty Bankers coming in again at 2.8%. Moving to the 7-year product window, we have Nassau again coming in at number 1 at 2.9, followed by Liberty Bankers at 2.9, and then F&G at 2.8. And the difference there is F&G does include that free withdrawal provision where you can take the interest only on an annual basis starting in the 2nd contract year. And then we have our 10-year product, which is going to be the Guggenheim at 3%, followed by Ocean View Life at 3%, again with that 10% free withdrawal provision. Guggenheim also offers that as well. And then Sentinel coming in at 2.9%. Now, what we're also going to do is filter out now for the ratings of the company. So we're going to go ahead and look at A- rated or better and go back through that 3, 5, 7, and 10-year product window. So in the 3-year product offering, we have Ocean View Life coming in at 2.2%, F&G at 1.95%, and Sagicor at 1.9%. If you look to the left of the product name or the company name, it'll have their financial rating right there. So if you just take a look, each one of these offerings is A-. On the 5-year product window, we have Americo Financial, which is an A-rated company, offering 2.7% guaranteed interest compounded over that 5-year period. And they do allow 10% free withdrawals starting in the 2nd year. We have F&G at A- with a 2.55% rate, interest only free withdrawals starting in year 2. And then we have Sagicor, an A- rated, 2.55% and up to 10% free withdrawals starting in year 2. In the 7-year product, we have F&G at 2.8, Ocean View Life at 2.8 with the 10% free withdrawals, and Great American rounding it out at 2.64 with 10% free withdrawals. And they are an A+ rated company. That's the first A+ to crack the top 3. And then our 10-year product window, we have A-, Ocean View Life, 3% rate, 10% free withdrawals starting in year 2. Oxford Life at A- with a 2.7% rate, 10% free withdrawal after year 1, starting in year 2. And then we have Delaware Life starting, they're offering at 2.5, again, free withdrawal starting in year 2. So Here we are, first week of April, and we're starting to see some of the interest rates on the 10-year treasuries move upward. Just from just a few months ago, we were at a sub 1% on the 10-year treasury, and we've seen that rate climb to as high as 1.7% here recently within the last couple weeks. So there is some positive momentum in regards to that interest rate that impacts overall these safe money instruments such as fixed annuities. So we should be seeing some of these companies coming out with a slightly better offering. However, we have seen some of the lesser rated companies actually retract their interest rate offering on these fixed annuity products. For example, Ocean View Life, who's an A- rated company, they just lowered that 3-year rate from 2.25 to 2.2. So only 5 basis points down, but still it trended in the downward direction. So it's one of those things that we just don't know what these annuity companies are going to have the ability to offer, given this low interest rate environment and the amount of volatility that we're seeing overall in the marketplace today. But if you are looking for safe interest, if you are looking for safe growth that's guaranteed contractually, then a fixed annuity, or what's also known as a multi-year guaranteed annuity, can be a great alternative to the traditional bank CD or money market account, and way better in today's environment than any bond could provide you. So if you'd like to work with me directly, we work with all 50 states. We utilize the internet using a virtual meeting platform called Zoom. If you'd like to speak with me directly on how I can guide you in the right direction with these fixed annuities or maybe an indexed annuity, you can visit our website at annuityassociation.com. Right there on the main page, click on the green button to request your free comparison report, and you'll be taken to an opt-in form that'll ask if you'd like to be contacted. Simply answer yes, and I will give you a call in a timely fashion. Thanks so much for watching the State of the Fixed Annuity Rates Report. This is Jeremiah Conger from Annuity Association signing off. Everybody have a great day and take care of one another. Thank you.